we present a lesson in aviation technology. We will outline some historical milestones in aviation. We will highlight the following. Some pioneers in the development of aircraft. Hot air balloons. Gliders. Fixed-wing aircraft. Rotary-wing aircraft. Humans have always dreamed of soaring through the skies like birds. Over centuries, inventors and engineers have worked tirelessly to make this dream a reality. Let's take a look at the key pioneers and milestones in the history of aviation. The following are some pioneers who paved the way for modern aviation. 1. The Montgolfier brothers. 2. George Cayley. 3. The Wright brothers. And 4. Igor Sikorsky. The following are some key milestones in the development of aircraft. 1. Hot air balloon. 2. Fixed-wing aircraft. 3. Rotary-wing aircraft. Hot air balloons. The first major step was the invention of the hot air balloon. The Montgolfier brothers, in 1783, successfully launched the first manned hot air balloon flight. This marked the beginning of human flight. Gliders. The next significant development was the glider. George Cayley, often known as the father of aeronautics, designed and flew the first successful glider in 1809. Gliders, powered only by gravity and wind, laid the foundation for understanding the principles of flight. What are gliders? A glider is a type of aircraft that doesn't have an engine. It relies on the natural forces of the air, like wind and warm currents, to stay up in the air. Gliders have wings that generate lift when air flows over them, allowing the aircraft to soar through the sky. Fixed-wing aircrafts. A fixed-wing aircraft uses fixed wings to generate lift. This means the wings don't flap or rotate, unlike helicopters. The fixed wings create lift when air flows over and under them, allowing the aircraft to stay airborne. The Wright brothers made history in 1903 by achieving the first successful powered flight. Their invention revolutionized transportation and paved the way for modern aviation. A rotary-wing aircraft is an aircraft that uses rotating wings, or rotors, to generate lift and thrust. Unlike fixed-wing aircraft, which rely on wings that remain fixed in position, rotary-wing aircraft can take off and land vertically, hover in place, and fly in any direction. The most common type of rotary-wing aircraft is the helicopter. Igor Sikorsky, a Russian-American engineer, is credited with inventing the helicopter. The first successful helicopter flight took place in 1939. Helicopters have become essential tools for various purposes, including transportation, search and rescue, and military operations. Helicopters have one or more rotors that spin rapidly, creating lift and allowing the aircraft to maneuver in ways that fixed-wing aircraft cannot. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.